Hello and welcome back to Operation Crypto. Today we're going to take a look over Algorand, which is Algo. We'll have a look at some of the basic fundamentals of a project, have a look at some key statistics, and have a look at some chart analysis towards the end, see what's been going on with the price action. So if you are interested to find out more, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. Right, so let's begin, and we will just look at the basics first on the Algorand website. They just say that Algo is the cryptocurrency of the Algorand blockchain. The Algorand blockchain has been built to help create an open, borderless economy where everybody can participate. The new type of digital economy can be run on a totally and truly digital currency that works instantly for everybody, and they say that this is Algo. Scrolling down, we weren't going to go into depth about this because this is just a basic overview, but there's 5 key aspects to the blockchain. So we have speed. An Algo can be sent to anyone's wallet in under 4.5 seconds. That's quite quick, considering how long Bitcoin takes, which is about 7 a fucking week or something daft like that. It says no waiting around, wondering if your payment has gone through. No checking back minutes or hours later. You have almost instant confirmation that your payment has been made. That's what we want these days. Cryptocurrency has been here for the speed, and that's what we need. If Algo are managing to get transactions in 4.5 seconds, that's massive. So scalability, the Algorand blockchain is built for many billions of users. This means that no matter how many Algo users there are, your payment will still occur in under 4.5 seconds. No slowing down, no confusion, and instant confirmation. That means, so for example, if you're sending Ethereum and you're sending it for whatever fee you choose, it can be a slow process as things get blocked up on the blockchain. Thing that, like it's same with Bitcoin, it gets backed up and backlogged, and it just takes forever to get through. And if Algo can do it in 4.5 seconds with billions of users at the same time, and that's a great part of the network that they've built. It is trustworthy. The Algorand blockchain has been built in such a way that it is guaranteed not to fork. In blockchains, forking is a problem that can occur when a blockchain splits into more than one chain. I've seen that on other chains before, when you want to send some funds from the specific wallet of that blockchain and it gets stuck in a fork, and then you have to reset the entire wallet. And if they've got things in place to stop forking them, that's also that's a massive bonus. It is transparent. The total amount of Algo was created at the launch of Algorand blockchain. This occurred on June 19, 2019, and 10 billion Algo was created. With statistics, we will have a look at CoinMarketCap after this introduction, and we'll go through all the stats and all-time highs and where they're listed, for example, on markets on CoinMarketCap. And then finally, secure. While the Algorand blockchain is transparent in many ways, it uses the most advanced cryptography, unbreakable digital codes, to ensure that all personal and private information in your Algo payment remains that way. So in summary, the Algo is one of the fastest, most secure and trustworthy cryptocurrencies in use today. As the vision of a borderless economy becomes a reality, the Algo will become one of the most critical cryptocurrencies in use. That's some big words there from the company. And if we just jump over and have a look at the Algorand protocol, which is their blockchain, so it is decentralized, massive buzzword in cryptocurrency these days. Everything wants to get away from that centralized authority and one person pretty much having all the power. So it does say that it is fair and transparent, accurate and secure. It's also permissionless, which means it's public and open to all, and low cost to participate. And then one of the main points here, we all heard of proof of stake, so this is pure proof of stake. Algorand uses a pure proof of stake, which is PPOS, consensus protocol built on a Byzantine agreement. And then further down we have rewards. In Algorand, the power is in the hands of a user holding stake. Every user receives an amount of rewards proportional to their stake for every block that is committed to the chain. And finally, it is open source, so that means you can see everything on the repository, and that will be all on GitHub. Right, so let's move over to CoinMarketCap and have a look at some of the key statistics. So Algorand, which is ALGO ticker, Algo, is currently ranked number 40 out of all cryptocurrencies, so we are fairly high. Current today's price, look at this price today, we are up 24%, and then a current coin price of $0.3487. Current market cap just shy over $270 million. Volume $230 million, 24 hours. Circulating supply is 771 million, and total supply is just over 3 billion Algo. Scrolling down, we can see the market pairs. If it comes up, yeah. So Binance is getting quite a lot of volume there. It's getting 32% of the volume. Coinbase Pro, Huobi, as you can see, is on all the massive exchanges that we pretty much all of us know about. If you're in the space and you're looking at Algo by now, then you can see you can get this pretty much anywhere. How many pairs we've got listed on here? Wow. So yeah, we've just got 89 pairs that's just listed on CoinMarketCap, and the never orders listed on here. So yep, fair few. And then last point is when I look at the all-time highs, which was June 21st, and we're at $3.28 per coin. So as you can see, we are a fair way off that now, but not a million miles up. But we'll check the charts out now and see what's been going on recently and what's gone on in the past. Right, so let's finish up by taking a look over the charts, and here we have, this is Algo versus Tether on Binance. As I say, this we're getting predominantly all the volume, so we will use this chart for some TA. As you can see, back in June, yes it was June, it did say on CoinMarketCap the all-time highs that we had there. If we just mark it on for a future reference, and put that there as a little green light. Actually, we'll change it to black so I know where we are, because I'll use them for some support lines. Style black, there we go. So that was the all-time high, and ever since then we have been on a pretty much constant decline. But that's all cryptocurrency. It's been like that for the last pretty much 3 years since we're at the all-time highs. So what we need to do now is pretty much look at what's been going on recently, to have a look at some potential entry prices and see where we're going. So I'm taking the 13th of March. So the 13th of March is when Bitcoin had that massive huge dump, 57% dump, and every cryptocurrency followed it really. But what I want to do is first start off by drawing some weekly levels on here and see where we can go. So let's draw some levels. So this is obviously a level we bounced off down there. That was at that 9 cent. We'll just drop that on there. Can't see we're going to go down there, but you never know. So this is a weekly level. We'll just change that. Template weekly. We're not going to do a monthly on this. As you can see, there's another level there, which is quite a predominant level. Another weekly level, and then we could take that as a weekly level there because we've gone through it twice, and it has acted as resistance on both times. So we'll put another weekly level there. You don't want too many weekly levels because there's not absolutely tons. And then let's just zoom into the daily. And just have a little zoom out and see what we can see. So you can see that weekly level hit nice at both points there. I think there looks like a bit of a key level, and we will put that as a daily. And it just shot right through there. So on that wick, went straight through there, and it did act as support and resistance. And change that to the daily. And we have a little bit of market structure there. And also we'll put one there. So that looks like a bit of a key level from that bottom wick. As you can see, it acted as support, bounce off support again, and then it's obviously been doing really well ever since then. Let's have a look at some entry points going forward then. Fibonacci is our friend here, and we won't use a bottom wick because I prefer to use body to body on the Fibonacci, and we will take it up to there, right up to the top body. So currently, well, look how far we've been. Let's have a look at actually first let's have a look at a price range, how much we've moved since 13th of March. We have moved up and shot 300%. That's a massive rise for Algorand. Fair big move. A lot of coins have done that. You have seen a few 1000% moves, but 300% is absolutely massive. If you was a holder down here, yeah, that's lowest it's been for a long time actually. That would have been. I think now you should be looking at potentially selling. Even if you are a massive fan of a project, do not be scared to sell, because what if you sell here and it absolutely dumps here and you're still holding the same bag? Personally, everything, what I say is everything that goes up must come down, and Algorand is no different. No matter what's going on, everything still seems to follow Bitcoin. So what you need to do to look at some entry points is have a look at these key levels. Personally, you can use support and resistance if you want to trade it, so you could wait for it to drop back down to a daily buy, hopefully to bounce up, and then it should fly through again. But personally, I always like the 618 level as a retracement. I think that is a good area to put in some buy orders. In my opinion, there's no harm in having some orders down here, just in case we're wick down, because look at this wick. This came out of nowhere, and it can happen again. There's no harm in getting some orders in down at these prices, and potentially pick up some cheap algo. If you have a massive fan of it, don't be afraid to bang some orders in down there, because you could be doing very well. If you do think it's going to go back up to these all-time highs that we've marked on already. Let's just work it out as a percentage. So from these current levels, where are we now? We are there. If you take it up to them levels, you've got another 800% rise just from the current prices. So what's to say when it goes down, it obviously that percentage is going to grow. But also what I want to do is just show you the Hitman Indicator on here. So this is to my settings. So currently we are still bearish. As you can see, we are bullish on Algo. It was what an indicator there. Look, when that marked up and we've gone right up here. We did have a bit of a bearish indicator, but then it's flipped. But what I'm expecting again to see soon is this bear to reappear somewhere around here once we do get a bit of a spike down, and then I think we might be bearish and block back down to these levels. That is only because Bitcoin is a market leader. There's been news out today, well, not news, but there's been reports, should I say, that a lot of the tech companies in the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are well overpriced. We do know that Bitcoin is tied to the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, and when they do move down, Bitcoin follows it, and when Bitcoin dumps, everything else will dump. So I do think that this is going to go down here at some point. That's just my opinion, but if we do get a bear signal up here, then I think you should look into that. What I will do actually at the end of this video, I will show the actual Hitman video, and it shows you what the indicator is, and you can use that on your charts. It is massively helpful. I mean, look, if you sold here, wow, and you'd have been right down here. So it is a massive tool, and I use it daily. So yeah, I will put that at the end of the video. So that will wrap it up for today's TA. Please make sure you do like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will catch you next time, but yeah, watch this video.
Often miss investments or trading opportunities? Introducing the Advanced Market Momentum Finder, a trading indicator that shows momentum changes in price on your chart. It helps you reduce mistakes instead of looking at multiple indicators. The Advanced Market Momentum Finder also gives you freedom from the charts by alerting you to changes in price momentum whilst getting on with important daily activities. You can customize the settings to fit your specific lifestyle needs and trading style, allowing you to make better investment decisions. Why wait? Try it for free today.